Red discoloration of the skin is a common complaint. It can occur either from sun damage in fair-skinned patients or as a result of a condition known as acne rosacea. The cheeks and neck are most commonly affected, but other areas can be affected as well. Flushing, which occurs with exercise, drinking alcohol, or exposure to warm water, can make the red even more prominent. Fortunately, there are some very easy and effective treatments that can help reduce the red discoloration to our skin, which is present on a day-to-day basis. Intense pulse light, or IPL, and vascular laser, often known as V-beam laser, can both be used to decrease the amount of redness present on the skin. While it may not affect the amount of flushing which presents with exercise, drinking alcohol, or exposure to hot water, it can reduce the ruddy appearance so that your skin has a more natural, normal tone on a day-to-day basis.